red and silver needles.
What's he doing, Jerry?
He's just pecking on it, and I can feel his toenails, and I can feel his little beak every now and then.
He's tired.
Oh!
He's trying to pull it out.
He pulls it, and it won't come out. Some of it don't come out, it just pulls and hurts.
I don't think he's getting any of it out.
Yeah, boy, he's getting mad now. Yeah, I've got loose ones in my hair. You can just reach up there and pull them out.
I don't know why he don't go
He
to
sure
the
likes. I hope he doesn't poop.
front. That's what I said. I hope he don't poop in my hair.
He's giving himself out because he's opening his mouth breathing real hard. He got a little piece out of them, but he ain't got much. He can't get
Oh
it
boy, he's pulling hard.
Well, he's after it,
Getting
man.
down on the lower side.
He's determined.
Well, here it is in the flesh, people. There's no mistaking about it. This bird is in his head. And another one's coming in.
Yeah, two?
He's up in the tree.
Uh-oh, he's gonna say, I'm gonna go down there and help him. Oh my God. Ouch.